All right, so today we're going to show you an Oliver. This is a tool grinder. These are used for grinding end mills and face mills and all kinds of different types of cutters. This can be set up in multiple ways, different types of angles. Right now this machine is wired for 220 volts, 3-phase. Obviously you have your grinding wheel here, your spindle. This also moves in and out. Say you had a cup wheel on here and you're going on top of with your cutter to sharpen it. This also can be set up on an angle. The whole head tilts, I don't know how many degrees, but it's quite a lot. It almost will go, I don't know if it'll go completely flat. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but I guess it would. And then it has a scale here, so you can set it back at 0 and a clamp back here to lock it. Now up here below this cover is your belts going from the motor to the front of the spindle. Now your spindle can also go up and down. You can come down with this spindle and touch something off, or just lightly come down and grind something like that, I suppose. You can set a stop on these. This is another stop here to put this where you want to leave it at a certain spot. You can bring it out. This has a counterweighted handle on here, makes the movement of this a lot easier. We've got a table, a work platform here. I don't know the length of it, maybe 18 by 18 with the 3 T slots. It goes up and it goes back and forth. And it also spins. So if you needed to go in, then you would turn it this way and you would go in. You can put it on any kind of an angle you want, actually. This fixture is an Oliver fixture, and this side of it is a Morse taper number 5, and we have a lot of tooling here, or some tooling here, that is Morse taper number 5 that goes in the hole here, the taper, and this holds an Erickson collet, so you can put your face mill, your end mill in there. We don't have a large selection of the collets, but they are available. Again, all this accessories that we do have come with the machine. So this can be put on any kind of an angle you want. There's a scale going along the bottom here. You also have an indexing ring, and we have several different ones. For indexing this, you can work this way if you want. This tooth rest, or tooth rest can be moved around. It can be put here, it can be put there, it can be put on the other side. There's several spots for it. It's if you had the manual and saw all the different functions you can do with this, you'd have a better understanding. Also, this movement in and out. Inside here is on ball bearings, so this has a very nice, smooth feel to it. Ball bearing track. And over here, let's take a look at some of this tooling. This would go on the table. You take the other thing off, and this has, you can adjust this thing up and down once you loosen it. Put it on different angles. You put something between 2 centers and sharpen it or grind it or do whatever it is you want to do to it. You got a pair of tailstocks on here. One opens and one is adjustable. This is a standard feature that comes with the machine, and the other grinding fixture, that index head, that's a special accessory that you would normally have to purchase separately. So we got a couple of different things here that hold some kind of a fixture. I don't know what you put on there, maybe a little saw blade or something, and that goes in the Morse taper number 5. These are all different wheel hubs. Put cup wheels on, a couple of different kinds, diamond wheels, stone wheels, whatever you want. You get all this. This is another fixture. Not quite sure what it is. Another tooth rest holder. 1, 2, 3, 4 indexing cams, along with the one that's on the machine there, makes 5. So that's a lot of stuff. Here's a little wheel guard that you could put around that grinding wheel. That's pretty much everything. Except I didn't turn it on. You can go forward, you can go backwards. You can go 2 directions with the grinding wheel. Obviously, you'd want to have some kind of guards on this. Right now I have it off just for the video. And that's it. That's the Oliver 300 HD, a really nice, versatile tool. Thank you.